Hey guys, I'm gonna be hunting for fidgets now. Since last video I said I was hunting inside, but I saw there's nothing inside, so let's look outside now. I'm just gonna hide these up here so nobody will get them. I don't want to bother this girl, so let's go. Something over here. Textured monkey noodle. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, look at that. We found a textured monkey noodle. Let's go. We need to ban this one though, because I think we're gonna find it. Oh, yeah, what is this? Alright, let's go. Oh my god, there's one just up over here. Set her bin down. Giant monkey noodle. Pop it. Wow, that's just cute. How did I find this? I'm so lucky. Oh my gosh, and another poppet. It's an apple. Oh my god, that blue mini one's better than this. Oh my god, I can't believe I found this. Wow, that is a good find. Look how much stuff I found. Oh, so much. Oh my god, what is that? It's at the bin now. What is that? Oh my god, it's one of those foam stress balls. It's not a good find. It's a pretty good find. Usually I just find a monkey noodle, but oh my god, I'm really lucky today. Anywhere else I forgot to check. Oh my god, Pop-It spinner, Pop-It spinner. Oh, I hope this one's good. Yeah, I'll spin it. Wow, guys. I think I should leave some fidgets for the other kids. So let's just get my fidgets. Put all my fidgets in this bin now. Here, let me show my fidgets. Let's get out and then put them in this bin. Wow, look at my head. I think I'm gonna trade one. I'll try this one. It's legendary. Let's go right here. Trading this legendary, never coming back foam stress ball. Please, 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 please. I'd love to trade. Alright, well, offer. Puzzle ball. Since it's not coming back, offer this puzzle ball. Pop 2. And, this snapper. And this. Sure, since you really want this here. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. Damn, I just scammed them. Alright, I think that's enough trading and hunting for today. Alright.